In this video, I'll show you how to oil a cutting board. Cutting boards are made of natural wood, which means they need regular oiling to prevent them from drying out or warping. To know if your cutting board needs more oil, you can look for some signs such as dullness, roughness, or cracking. For this job, you'll need food-grade mineral oil, a clean cloth or sponge, and a bowl for mixing the oil. Food-grade mineral oil is the best choice for oiling cutting boards because it's safe for contact with food and won't alter the color or smell of your wood. They're also inexpensive and you can easily find them in most grocery stores. Other types of oil, such as tung oil, linseed oil, or Danish oil, are not food safe and have a strong odor or color. Pour the oil into the bowl and mix it well by stirring with a spoon or a whisk. This will ensure the oil is evenly distributed and ready for application. Dip the cloth or sponge into the oil mixture and squeeze out any excess. You don't want it to be dripping wet, just moist enough to spread the oil evenly. Start from one corner of your cutting board and work your way across the surface in a circular motion. This helps the oil penetrate the wood fibers and provides a smooth and shiny finish. Make sure to cover every inch of your cutting board, including the edges and sides. Different types of wood may absorb oil differently, so you should pay attention to the grain and color of your cutting board. If you notice certain areas absorbing more oil than others, simply apply more oil to those areas. Once you've applied the oil to your entire cutting board, remove any excess oil that hasn't been absorbed by the wood. Take another clean cloth and gently wipe off the surface until it feels dry. This will prevent your cutting board from feeling greasy or sticky. After oiling your cutting board, don't use it right away. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight if possible. This will give the oil enough time to penetrate and nourish the wood fibers fully. With cutting boards, regular maintenance is key. Depending on how often you use your cutting board, you should oil it at least once a month or more frequently if needed. This will keep it hydrated and protected for years. When not in use, you should store your cutting board in a cool and dry place, preferably on its side or with some spacers to allow air circulation. Avoid exposing your cutting board to direct sunlight, heat, or moisture, as these can damage the wood over time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.